Today we're here at the Auto Innovation Centre in Victoria to show you an exciting new product, the XLC 200K, that is a retrofit air cleaner housing for the Land Cruiser 200 series from 2007 onwards. Most people within the Land Cruiser 200 community will know the problems associated with the OEM air housing with average filtration, high initial restriction and questionable critical seal. These points highlighted became our focus when designing this product. This is a solutions-based project, and through testing we have found we can deliver on performance as well as on engine protection. We have designed our housing around the element, whereas most people would look at the space claim, design a housing and then produce an element to suit that housing. Early on with AIC and with Harrop, we set up test rigs and we knew the size of element we needed to continue with this project to deliver something that would be engine protecting and have good performance. Through lab testing, we found that our element had higher filtration efficiency, lower initial restriction and a much better critical seal. The housing itself is made of PA630GF, which is a glass fibre reinforced material that gives you high strength, good dimensional stability, chemical resistance and great heat deflection. We have an integrated MAF slot for the OEM MAF sensor. Also supplied with the housing will be a restriction indicator. When it turns red, you know when to service your element. Through testing we found that we're about 99.99% efficient, whereas the standard OE element we tested was 99.85% efficient. Having the larger media pack, we've reduced the initial restriction, and this is our power cord technology that we've utilised within this element. So how that works is dirty air flows through an open flute on the dirty side and exits on an open flute on the clean side. So on the opposite ends, the flute is closed, which makes the air have to pass through the adjacent flute, and filtered air is through to the engine. Added benefit with this is that it's a low change of direction that will reduce the restriction. The element design utilises our tab and pocket IP technology, which means that you have the peace of mind that only quality Donaldson elements will fit this housing. We've also utilised a large urethane seal. In the body and the cover is a rib and it acts like a pinch seal. This is relatively a simple design but yet very effective and gives a great critical seal. Easy servicing for the cover, just 2 latches and the cover assembly can be removed. Looking at the element, we've used our UltraWeb Blue media, which is our high efficiency fine fibre technology. Moving along to the brackets, these are 3mm stamped steel brackets. They'll come with the isolators and all other fasteners that are needed to fit this to your application. The XLC 200K is fully compatible with all aftermarket intake accessories. It's still going to fit your application if you're using dual batteries, and if you're running a standard system without the snorkel, it'll still fit. For more on the XLC 200K coming from Donaldson for the Land Cruiser 200 series.